Many of us love Shein. We shop with them often and we share the products that we like with others. But did you know that you could be getting paid by Shein to share the products that you like? Let me show you how. Shein is one of the largest online retailers. They produce clothing for women, men, children, as well as jewelry and home goods. Items like these are shared over and over again, but you can be paid for sharing if you are an affiliate with them and someone purchases from your affiliate link. Let's sign up together. The first thing we're going to do is Google affiliate program, Shein affiliate program, and then we should come to a page that looks like this. If you're in Canada, you should select the site that has a CA at the beginning of the URL. Then it tells us how it works. The affiliate promotes Shein on social platforms, or you can just share it with friends and family in a text message or email. Potential customer clicks on the post, customer orders at Shein, and then you receive a commission. So now we're going to click sign up/login for free. Then it takes us to a page that looks like this. We are new to the publisher program, so we're going to sign up here. Once you've filled in the information that they request, your first name, last name, country or region, email address, and password, you'll click whether you'd like to receive exclusive offers and latest emails. You don't have to do that. But also you need to go here and read the privacy and cookie policy, and then you'll click next. It gives us a notice. In order to ensure that your application can be passed successfully, please fill in the details as much as possible. So you're going to say if you're an individual or a company, and you're going to give your account a name. You'll fill in your PayPal account. You'll select your main promotional market, which is usually a country, your monthly average traffic, and if you have multiple promotional markets, you will fill those in here. They give you space for 3 here, but you can also press this plus button to add more. And your main promotional type goes here. So whether you use a website, page search, email marketing, toolbar, coupon value, merchant, product review, comparison shopping, video, search engine optimization, incentive blog, mobile traffic, and mobile tablet application, retargeting, and remarketing or deals. So whichever way you plan to promote this, that's what you'll select here. And for most people, it will probably be website or content, because even if you're posting just on your social media, that's your content. So you would select that. And then you will fill in your URL for your website. So if you're posting this on Facebook or Instagram, you'll put in your Facebook or Instagram or even TikTok URL. If you want to put in different things, you will have to use a different promotional type. For example, you can't just do all 3 of these as website content. It will say that already exists. We can't use that. So I chose 3 different modalities: website content, video, and mobile traffic. Okay, and you don't have to use all 3 of these. You can just use one. That's up to you. If you want to use more, you'll press the plus or minus here at the bottom. You'll answer this question: have you collaborated with us previously? Yes or no, and then click next, which takes us to their policy, and you'll read over this policy. And if you agree to the policy, you'll click I agree with the agreement above, and then click submit. Once you click submit, it says application successful. Thanks for your application to Shein Publisher Program. We need to verify your information and we'll mail you if you are passed in 24 hours. And then you can go back to the affiliate page. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. If you found this video to be valuable, make sure to like it and to subscribe to my channel. And check me out on TikTok as well as Instagram. Instagram, you'll check me out as Official Passive Income CEO, and TikTok, Passive Income CEO. All right, guys, see you next time.